Skoda 110R is a rare and highly unique vehicle that boasts the classic 70s Skoda design. Its sleek fastback shape and unusual yet charming front end is unmistakable and popular among collectors. Examples of these cars in such good condition are a rarity, making this an excellent opportunity to own a milestone vehicle in Skoda's history. Powered by a 1.1 litre inline 4-cylinder mounted in the rear of the vehicle and paired to a 4-speed manual transmission, this 110R remains a pleasure to drive. It's in excellent mechanical order and a testament to the care taken by its previous owner.